EPL catches. Welcome to our meeting. Before I forget, you supposed start the right minutes for this our meetings.
Based on waiting.
Use your 10, count your teeth.
My teeth not 32. How many your own be?
You see, you no fit even understand common idiom. Carry your air like everybody where they here. Who be your mate?
You be like say something they worry you for head. You want to meeting of top EPL coaches where these jobless Italian man they here they look us.
Not true. Sorry, you're not supposed to stay here again. This team the official meeting between top EPL catches.
I dey here because I go soon get work for one top EPL club. I want there so that una no go make decision wey go fit affect me and my future club.
Sorry, no vex Which club be that?
You never hear? Say them go soon sack 2 top EPL coaches. Me, I don't quickly submit my CV to the 2 clubs. Make it no be say I come late.
Abeg, tell us the club so that we go know who suppose dey here.
The people sabi themselves nah. Now say they not just one talk.
Mo na see, this man no serious. Mo back and come out for here.
You where they talk. You dey do like say you no know say you follow.
Waiting.
As me and you they talk so. I don't already see your sack letter oh. Them just the wait make you lose 2 more games before them go give you the letter.
You dey grace.
Club gave you gun to threaten your opponents. You dey use them to destroy your players. Instead of you to try dialogue with your players so that you go fit sabi their personal problems.
See this man oh. Why I go sabi their personal problem? I be their papa. Na me born them. Them no dey collect salary.
Oh yeah, they there nah. You know say na lose you go dey lose for that year North London derby against Tottenham. I trust Molinho nah. Him no go pity you.
Idendu, make we focus on the meeting agenda for today. We need to discuss this VAR thing. It's match.
You the craze. The time with VAR favor you. You no go talk anything. Nah, why the thing no gree cancel PSG second goal? You come the talk say make we discuss am. Leave am like that, we like am. We go die here with am.
Leave am make him the talk. And because him follow for coaches where them go soon sack nah.
See this my man oh. You didn't say you lie to fear me.
Nah your problem be that. You know sabi when person dey serious. My brother Poche and Allegri they hustle for that Man U job. And all of us like this better pass yourself.
Yeah, pepe yeah. Ne egbeme get key element the way they hustle for my job there. Fellish catches.
If this video make you laugh,
And you know say your mama born you well.
and you know say your mama born you well, just press that like button.
Which one be just press? Scatter that button, Joe. If your faith safe, destroy that thing. Who press help? You be Elvis Presley. I been a woman bless one place.
See, sorry, it don't do you. I no come fight for here. Una don't hear am ba? Because me I no get time for this guy now.